Here in my own garden, one thing I'm always mindful of is making sure my plants are fed throughout the year. Over time, as plants flower and grow, you'll find that they'll draw a lot of nutrients out of the soil. So it's really important to make sure that you're replacing that. Otherwise, you'll find that your plants will lose their vigour and they'll lose their colour. This is where a regular feeding routine can make a big difference. Supplying the right nutrients supports steady growth, stronger foliage and better overall plant performance. But what is a feeding routine? There can be many approaches. Often in spring and autumn, when plants are most active, you'll want to feed more regularly. This might be every 2 to 4 weeks. And in summer, you may reduce the feeding to every few months. And in winter, in some areas, you may not feed at all. There are many different ways to feed your garden, and what I like to do is using something that can do the whole thing, including all my plants plus my natives. That way I'm not mixing all different types of solutions. But that's where the Seasol PowerFeed is really good. And it also contains nitrogen and phosphorus, which means it will feed your garden really well, keep everything nice and vigorous, but it means that there'll be lots of colour in your flowers. PowerFeed also contributes to improving soil conditions and encourages beneficial microbes. And that below-ground health is incredibly important for long-term performance. Feeding regularly not only keeps your plants vigorous, it can help reduce any stress that they might experience. And in my personal opinion, a really well-fed garden is a really thriving, resilient one.